Welcome to Nasir Sof. This is the interview questions and answer series for PHP jobs, and in this video we will talk about the trades. It is the most important questions that is asked in most interview. Here are a few examples of these questions of trades. What is trade in PHP? Why trades are used in PHP? How to achieve multiple inheritance in PHP? What is the purpose of trade in PHP? These all questions are about to check your concept and knowledge about trade. Let's understand it. Trades are a mechanism that allows you to create reusable code in language like PHP where multiple inheritance is not supported. A trade can be instantiated on its own. Trade is a mechanism for code reuse in a single inheritance language such as PHP. A trait is intended to reduce some limitation of single inheritance by enabling a developer to reuse set of methods freely in several independent classes living in different class hierarchies. In PHP, the multiple inheritance is not supported. So first understand what is multiple inheritance. Classes inherited from more than one parent class is called multiple inheritance. For example, we have a class A and a class B and a class C, and class C is inherited by class A, or we can say that the class C is a child class of class A and class B. So class C is inherited from both class A and B. So this concept is called multiple inheritance. If we talk about in course perspective in PHP, so this is class A and it has a scope. This is class B and this is class C, and it extends both A and B. So this is called multiple inheritance, and if you write this line of code or declare this class C extends from both A and B, then you will see that the code shows error. Basically in PHP the multiple inheritance is not possible. So to achieve this task the trait are used. So let's see why we use multiple inheritance or why there is a need of multiple inheritance. For example, if we have used the code of both class A and B in class C, then the multiple inheritance concept is came. But in PHP, there is impossible to achieve multiple inheritance. So we move toward the traits. So let's see how trait works. For example, this is a trait and shows it a triangle, and the trait name is A, and it has a function, and the function is say welcome. Okay, later we will see it in our code also. So let's assume that this is the trait A and have a function of say welcome, and a trait B that is have a function of to my channel. Okay, so we have two trait A and B, and both contains the trait A contains the say welcome and trait B contains the to my channel function, and we have a class C that use both trait B and A. Okay, so this class C is not inherited, just use the trait B and A. And in code we write the class C, and inside the class C the use keyword is used, that it is used to trait A and B. So this says that, so the use keyword means that you use the trait A code as well trait B code. So we have accessed the function when we create an object of class C. So we can also call through the object of class C the say welcome function and to my channel function. So keep all these concepts in your mind. So let's assume the trait replaced to the class A and class B, and now C is inherited from A, B, but not in real. So in C just use trait A and B, and through this mechanism we achieve the concept or work of multiple inheritance. So let's see this concept in code. This is my program.php file, and we have declared a trait A, and the trait A scope is this one, and it has a function that is say welcome, and that the function is public, and inside the function we just echo welcome. Okay, so similar, we have a trade B, and it has its scope, and inside this one, this is a function to my channel, and inside this we just echo to Nasir soft, and we declare a class C, and inside class C we use both trade A and trade B. Okay, so here now the class C have the access of both trades. Okay, so when we create out at the last, when the class C scope is end, here I create an object of class C and name it class C object. Okay, object class C, and this is class C object. So here we create an object of class C, and through this object, that is object class C, we call the both trade function, that is save welcome or to my channel. So first I call the trade A function, that is say welcome, say sorry welcome, and after that I call the trade B to my channel function through the object of class C. So it have access of both trade A and B. Basically it use the both trades. So here the object and the function call, that is to my channel. Okay, so you will see that when I save the file, go to my browser and call that myprogram.php file, you will see that it shows me welcome to Nasir soft. So basically it execute both function of trade A and B through class C object. So this is the concept of trade, why trade is used just to overcome the multiple inheritance in PHP. Hope guys you will understand the concept of trade in PHP. If you have any questions regarding to this topic, please comment inside the comment section, or you can email me, and email is mentioned in video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And one last thing that is not related to this topic, that is related to our daily life, and the quote of the day, and the quote is, don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.